Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. Today's video is this big bag. I'm holding this bag which is almost full of stuff. I want to declutter these. So I'm gonna go through them and see if I need to declutter everything in there or if I need to save some stuff. You know, sometimes you decide to declutter and then halfway through you change your mind. So I pull this out 3 months now, they're sitting in there. I'm like, okay, maybe I'll change my mind. But now I'm like ready to declutter. And I'll show you everything first, and in the end, I will show you what I decluttered and what I kept. Let us start. This palette is called So What You Doing. It's an eyeshadow palette by Beauty Bakery. It is very pretty on the inside. I used it more than once. But I don't reach for it a lot. I am not sure, maybe I need to give it another try. I liked it in the beginning and then I used it a second time, it wasn't that great, so I'll get the second try. My next palette is Spice Latte by Ruby May. This is it. I have used it. It is pigmented, but the quality is not the best. I bought this a long time ago. My next palette is called Peppermint Mocha, also by Ruby May. It is very pretty. The shimmers in here are not that poppy. It's a very mild and soft palette. So I'm going through all of them, and like I say, I'll show you which one I decide to keep and what I decide to declutter. Wonder Beauty. This is the palette right here. It's a neutral girls friendly palette. I tried two of the shimmers. They are okay, but I don't know. My next one is Colourpop. I bought this Just My Luck by Colourpop a while back. This is what it looks like. It's a pretty palette. The pigment is there. It's like a hit and miss. Sometimes you use it, it doesn't. It depends what eye base you put on. So I don't know. The next one I have is Orange You Glad by Colourpop. And this is what it looks like. I'm not a glitter person. There's one chunky glitter in there, but the rest, when you use it, it's like it's not there. That's another palette. The other palette is 80s Baby Pinky Rose Cosmetics. When I saw this, I love this. I'm like, yeah, 80s, this is good. And this is what it looks like. Lots of fallout, and I mean lots of fallout. The colors are not boom in your face, they are soft. The shimmers are just shimmers, and this is it. It's nice and colorful. I just wish the color payout was the same as what it looks like in there. Next is my Fenty 6, and this one is the 6 Smoky. This is what it looks like. I was like, yeah, there's a black, there's some shimmers I can do stuff with this, but I really didn't like this. I did not. Maybelline is a white base with a little shimmer in there. Not so loud, very cute, very nice, but I don't know. I have this for a long time. Infallible 24 Hour Freshwater Wear, which is L'Oreal. I got 2 shades. We got their color shade range of far and far and far between. This one is too dark, which is 370, and it's a 370 mocha. Don't work, too dark. This one says 330. This one is 330 hazelnut, too light. I can make both of this work by matching them together. But this is my declutter. We will see what I keep and what I throw. This is Elf. It's a little blush palette. This is Avon. It's a quad. And these are the colors. This is Black Radiance Soft Focus Effect Finishing Powder. And this is in the 9203 Milk Chocolate. I hit pan on it, but no, it's too dark for me. It has always been too dark for me, and the other one is too light. Black Opal, and this is the oil absorbing pressed powder. Way too dark for me. This one is in Smoking Topaz. This is LYS. This is a setting powder in Dark Deep. This is very, very dark on me. Very dark. This is LYS. It's a cream blush. I don't do cream too many anything. And it is called Empower. Fenty, and it's called Penny for Your Thoughts Kilowatt Foil. This is very, very pretty, but it gets everywhere on everything. This. Very cute. This is LYS bronzer. As you can see, this is way, way dark for me. This is very dark. And I will even swatch it. I got this in one of my boxy charms. This is the color. That's how dark it is. If I put it right here, this is it. This is really dark. I got this in a boxy charm. Still on my finger. Iconic London, and this is supposed to be a bronzer. This bronzer is so light. As you can see, I have not used it much. This is what it looks like. And if I put it next to LYS, this is the difference. One is too dark, one is too light. El Maquillage Powder. Love this powder. It's in cocoa. Usually I can get cocoa to work for me, but this one, again, is too dark. That's it right here. This is what it looks like. Love this little powder. It is just too dark. This is a tinted moisturizer studio makeup, and I got this in the boxy charm. The shade is perfect, except I have very oily skin. When I put this on, after I'm done, I will set it and everything, but as the day goes by, it just starts looking greasy. But this is a perfect match. Maybelline Fit Me 362, that's the wrong shade for me. I am 360 Mocha. I was in a comparison, so I know this is not my shade. This is making me look very ashy. I said right here, this is the color. LYS, this serum foundation. Put it on, like it, but again with my oily skin, as the day goes by, oils, it just adds more. It makes it look more. So it's in there. These are my declutter pile. Remember, sometimes you pull declutters and you don't know what you're gonna keep or what you're gonna throw after you pull it out. So let's see in the end what I keep. This is 400 Cinnamon, the Lip Bar Quick Conceal. This maybe have two more uses. I use it, but I don't like under my eye being too bright. That does it. So what I do, I will mix it with something else and it works well. But like I said, it's almost done. As you can see right here, you can see like it's done. I've been scraping. Mented foundation stick. Again, it's cream. It's almost done. This is a lash primer base I got from BoxyCharm. These are two pencils that I bought a long time ago from Sephora. These are gel lip liners. When they tell you gel, they're right. When you put it on, the color it just doesn't work for me. This is another elf. This is elf rose, and this is elf rose water bite size. I've used it many times. It's messy, very messy, especially this color right here. Lots of fallout. This is by NYX. It's a lip filler. When you put it on, you can feel it. It has that mint, and it goes on and on and on. This I bought from Uma a while back. I don't really use the highlighter side, but the contour side is almost done. This is Nomad Intense Eyeshadow Sample. Very, very cute. It's a single. This is a Natasha Denona sample. This is How Many Carats by Fenty. I bought this long time ago. Highlighter. Very, very bright. Very, very, it gets on everything. It just gets on everything. I bought this a long time ago, Juvia's Place. This is the wrong shade. I just held on to it because it's Juvia's Place. This is Hourglass. This is a bronzer. This is very, very light. I have tried using this in so many ways. You see it on my finger? This is supposed to be a bronzer. Doesn't work. I try using it as a highlighter. It washes me out. This I have used a lot. It is almost dry. This is by Kat Von D. It's the Ink Well Liner. This I have for a very long time. It's starting to dry, so it's time to go. And this is Rare Beauty. Now the bag is empty. Let us see what I am going to throw away and what I'm going to keep. Declutter, declutter, declutter. It breaks my heart, but it's declutter. Ruby May, gone. Fenty, gone. Beauty Bakery, gone. Colourpop, gone. Black Radiance, Hit Pan, it's going. Maybelline, Elf and Elf, Avon, going. Maybelline Wrong Foundation is going. Eye primer, lash primer is going. Both of Fenty's highlighters, they're going. El Maquillage powder is going. I love El Maquillage. Black Opal is going. That's really a nice powder. This one is going for sure. Iconic London. This LYS Too Dark. This LYS Loyalty Deep Dark setting powder has to go. LYS bronzer must go. Empty, declutter, 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 must go. Hourglass, must go. These are all my declutters. So I'm decluttering all of that. Now, what did I keep? So I can give it a second try. Let's see. The cream blush from LYS, I'm keeping that. Mented stick foundation, since it's almost done, I will finish it. Uma double stick, I'm going to keep it because I'm almost done with the contour side. So these two I'm keeping. This I'll declutter. LYS, I'm going to try it again. My two L'Oreal, I'm going to keep it because I know how to make it work. Put the lighter shade in the middle of my face and put the darker shade in the outside part of my face to balance it out. So I'll keep this. These two eyeshadow declutter. Wonder Beauty, I will keep it and use the shimmers with other palettes. And the 80s Baby Pinky Rose Cosmetics, I'm going to try it and give it another try. You will see a video on this shortly. I decluttered more. I kept these. And I decluttered these. Thank you all again for watching. Enjoy your beautiful day, night, evening, afternoon, wherever you are. And remember to love yourself and take care. Bye.